Now, Maine's Department of Health and Human Services tells us it is expecting new guidance regarding child care facilities from the U.S. CDC soon. And that new guidance is coming at an important time. In Maine, we're seeing more of Maine's youngest kids getting sick with COVID. Now, this graph shows cases in kids under age 5, meaning they cannot get the vaccine yet. Early on in the pandemic, the cases were in the double digits. As you can see, April of 2021 was a high month. Then September, October, November, and December, when more than 1,200 kids under the age of 5 in our state tested positive in 1 month. It is a worrisome trend for parents. So we spoke to an infection prevention expert from Northern Light Health to get tips for parents on how to keep their kids safe.
More?
It's a very difficult situation.
Mommy, Daddy, and baby.
Kids in childcare, all too young to get the vaccine, many too young to wear a mask. We talked to Suzanne Morshead, the Associate Vice President on Infection Prevention for Northern Light Health. She's also a registered nurse. She says it's critical that parents know their child care facilities' COVID protocols.
For making sure that kids that are ill, or if the kids have family members are ill, are kept from the rest of the population. And ideally, they're not allowed to come into that center whatsoever.
Maine's Department of Health and Human Services offers guidance to child care facilities, including schedule increased frequency of routine cleaning of high-touch surfaces, avoid shared objects when possible, limit the use of communal spaces or ensure proper disinfection between groups, stagger use of outdoor play areas when possible, limit mixing between groups so that there's minimal or no interaction between them.
Are you ready?
Morshead says it's critical to make hand washing a routine.
If we can start that earlier, that's going to help the spread of not just COVID, but all sorts of respiratory and other illnesses in these, really close daycare type settings.
Out came the sun and dried up all the rain.
Parents, taking care of yourself also keeps your kids safe.
Keep your distance, stay home as much as possible. Let us get through the surge. Get boosted, please get boosted.
Now, data from the Maine CDC show us about how many kids are in the hospital with COVID-19. Those numbers show about 30 kids under the age of 5 have been hospitalized with COVID so far. But that 30 is out of more than 63,500 kids under the age of 5. Morshead urges parents to mask up their kids who are ages 2 and older. She says there are some masks with designs and cartoon characters to make it slightly more enjoyable for them to wear.